to express it is really that there is nothing still at the location or place in Cantonese and Kongtonese. 冇乜嘢仲響度㗎啦 or 冇嘢仲響度㗎啦. It simply says it's really not a thing at the place. Vocabularies 冇 means not. In this case, it means not, and is also known to have a derived meaning as not have, which has nothing to do with this case. But as the monosyllabic form of the disyllabic 乜嘢, trisyllabic 乜嘢嘢, all mean what thing. Yeah means what thing, and here is used specifically as thing, or the meaning matter. 中 means still. 響 or 喺 as a verb it means be located at, as a preposition means at, in, on. And they are interchangeable in terms of usages within Cantonese and Kongtonese, though the locative particle in Cantonese and Kongtonese, which means where, place, location, the emphatic particle ga, really that. Realization particles in Cantonese and Kongtonese as in other dialect languages like Thai and Shung. The following are the general variations within the same la, which means already. Note, in this instance, only the vowel abroad r is presented. Here are the samples. La, 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 la.